students, welcome to Vani Institute. In this video, I am going to start an electrical machines course. So what is the course name? Electrical machines. Electrical machines. The course name is electrical machines. So basically, why we need to study this electrical machines? That is the biggest question which comes in every student's mind, because we have some easy subjects where we can prepare for the gate examination, or engineering services. We can clear the gate exam with good score, so we get an admission in NITs. Okay, that is fine. That is absolutely fine. But if your aim is to get a good IITs or a top IITs, an ISC Bangalore admission for MS or MTech program, and as well as if you want to really clear the PSU or to get into PSU, and as well as one of the prestigious organizations across India, that is BARC, one of the prestigious organization, BARC. So if you really want to crack that interviews, this electrical machine subject is a very important. Very important. You should not consider electrical machines as your choice. Like I can study the remaining subjects. I don't want to study electrical machines. It's a very big subject. People have this kind of ambiguity. Believe me, electrical machines is not a big subject if you are very strong in your concepts. It's a very simple and very easy. Okay, syllabus may be lengthy, accepted. But the thing is, if you follow the concepts and the way how you are preparing the examination for this particular subject is so very important. If you follow that, trust me, you will never feel electrical machines as a difficult subject. Okay? So now, without wasting, let us start what exactly electrical machines and why we need to study this. Okay? So basically, the electrical machines course is one of our core subject. You can say heart of our electrical engineering. So what is the basic weightage of these electrical machines? So once we started the preparation, the first thing which comes in our mind is, what is the weightage of this particular subject? Is it really important for me to get good rank in the gate exam? That is the thing which comes to every student's mind, right? So what is the weightage of electrical machines? Let us see. If you go to the gate examination, if you are going to give gate exam, usually what is the gate marks? Like what is the electrical machines marks which will come into the gate exam? Usually you will get from 11 to 15 marks in every year. 11 to 15 marks in every year. It means 15% of the total marks. It's a very huge. Okay. This is a weightage for 11 to 15 marks. When it comes to engineering services, this is a very important. If you are an ESE aspirant, please keep in mind this weightage will help you a lot to crack engineering services. That is, the very first one is prelims. When it comes to the prelims, the weightage of this electrical machines is around 30 to 32 marks. This is the weightage which you can expect in the prelims every year. When you see 2021 and 2020, you got around 14 to 15 questions. 14 to 15 questions in the prelims itself from electrical machines. Okay. And when it comes to mains examination, in 2020 and 2021, together, if you see last 2 years of examination, mains, you got around 120 to 144 marks. This is a very huge. Okay. And you know what? Together, if you expect from electrical machines, the range is about 150 to, on an average, 175 marks. Do you think it is a very small number? No, it's a very big number, which help you a lot when you want to clear the engineering services examination. Okay. Yes. So what exactly this electrical machine course contains, and how to prepare that, and what are the references which you want to follow? Everything will be seen in detail. Okay. Now let us see what are the subjects that we have and what are the topics which we are going to discuss. Let me write over here. And after that, what are the reference books which you want to follow to get a better concepts and solving the numericals. Okay. Let us see. So basically, our entire electrical machine can be divided into two types. One is a rotatory type, another one is a static. as you know that what is a static and what is a rotating type. Let us see. And the very first one is DC machines. DC machines. Okay, in this DC machines, usually we are going to discuss about like armature reaction, constructional details and characteristics of a generator and speed control of a DC motor and braking methods and starting methods of DC motor and etc etc etc. We are going to discuss in detail everything about this. Okay. Now, when it comes to next rotating machine, that is induction machine. Induction machine. Induction machine. Okay, it is a AC machine, which is also a AC machine or alternating current machine, and it is also have a good weightage in the gate and as well as engineering services. Now, when it comes to the third rotating machine, that is called synchronous machine. What is that? Synchronous machine. Okay. And last but not least, why I kept at the last means because it is a different type of our electrical machine. What is that? Transformer. What is that? Transformer. So, you know, typically the weightage of these subjects or these parts in electrical machine in gate examination, it is about around 3 marks. Up to 3 marks you will be expecting from DC machines. When it comes to induction machine, synchronous machine and as well as the transformer, you will expect at least 3 to 4 marks in gate exam. 3 to 4 marks in gate exam. Whereas when it comes to engineering services, you can equally divide the whole marks. Okay, you will be getting in the same weightage. Now, to study these electrical machines, like whether it is a DC machine or induction machine or a synchronous machine or a transformer, what are the reference books that you have to follow and what are the things that you have to do to get whole concepts and you get practice for all these subjects, or you can say all these parts in our electrical machine. What are the reference books? What are the reference books? Okay, follow carefully these reference books. Very, very important. These reference books are, the very first one is, first of all, you have to follow the classroom notes. First of all, classroom notes. It is a very, very important which I am going to discuss in this course. Please write the notes very carefully. That is very, very important. Okay. First of all, you have to follow the classroom notes. Next, previous year gate ESC. Both previous year gate and engineering services books you have to solve. And once if you finish that, go to PSUs. All state level or central level PSUs, everything you have to follow. Okay. In BARC, ISRO, etc. etc. All the competitive examinations you have to refer. If you have still sufficient time to prepare for these parts in our electrical machine, you can still go to one of the book which is very, very important, that is PS Bimra. PS Bimra. Okay. When it comes to concepts and theoretical concepts and numericals, if you really want to do that, that book is DP Kothari sir. DP Kothari sir. So PS Bimra and DP Kothari. These are the books which usually you have to follow. Okay. So when you are going to prepare electrical machines, believe me, you have to focus on these 3 parts more. Along with this, you have to go one more important thing, that is our Vani publications. Vani publication books. So in this Vani publication books, you have exercise books and you have a practice questions, test series, etc. etc. These are all a part when you want to practice questions. But one of the important thing which is there in our preparation, what is that? Which is I am highlighting with another color, that is test series. Test series. I'll tell you one thing. When you are appearing any kind of competitive examination, when you are appearing any kind of competitive examination, test series will plays a vital role. Test series will play a vital role. Without giving a test series, if you are attempting any examination, means indirectly you are giving just like a like in a simple manner you are giving. You are not giving as a serious aspirant. Okay, test series is the key tool to success in any examination, any competitive examinations, because these test series are made as per the level of particular examination, whether you take GATE or engineering services. Okay, so always I'm telling you that you have to prioritize these three are very, very important. Once if you practice all these, once if you got the confidence on the subject, then give test series, subject wise, mock, mixed, etc, etc, all are you have to give. Without giving test series, don't go to any competitive examinations, because indirectly you are wasting the money. Okay, so these are the steps you have to follow. But still, if you feel that I have a lot of time, I can prepare, so I'm a second year student, I'm a third year student, you have a lot of time, yes, so then you can go to for problems. This is for problems, very, very excellent book for problems. And for concepts, if you want to, better to go for DP Kotari. Okay, and Vani publications, you have a n number of questions which are there in exercise books as well as practice questions. Okay, so try to do this if you have a sufficient time. But these star marks are very, very important. Without finishing these, don't go to 4, 5, 6. If you are a final year student, please first focus on this. If you are a second year student or a third year student, please follow these steps in the sequence. Once if you got a highly, very, very, very much good confidence on this particular subject, then try to give the test series. Without preparing, giving a test series means it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so try to follow all these steps. Definitely you will get a better confidence on these electrical machines. Now let us see what we are going to study in a sequence. What is that? First, I would like to start with the DC machines. Then I'll take transformers, because from this we are going to talk about AC machines. So that is why transformers is a very basic thing. So I'll start second this transformers, and after that I'll go with induction machines. Then I'll go with synchronous machines. I hope you got the sequence. First one is a DC machine, next one is a transformer, and then induction machine, and then synchronous machine. This is the sequence which I follow. Okay, so now let us see what exactly are DC machines and what we are required, what we are going to prepare in DC machines, and what are the prerequisites to understand these electrical machines. Let us see in detail.